welcome back to my channel. I'm Jordyn and welcome back to Jordyn Video. So today we are going to be doing a DIY AirPod case. That is why we are in a different setting right now than I usually am. But I also have a big announcement at the end of this video. It's a huge giveaway for my 100K subscribers. So make sure to watch to the end of this video because you do not want to miss this. So this is the AirPod case. Sorry, it's a little flimsy. And this is the AirPod case. It's just a plain silicone pink case. It's kind of basic, right? Kind of plain. So I wanted to add some more wazoom to it and DIY it. So here I have my paintbrushes, I have my AirPod case, and I have two different kinds of paint. I have regular acrylic paint, regular paint, and then I have fabric paint if I wanted to make it puffy, you know, like texture. For my design, I'm thinking like making the top blue and then having it drip down like a donut drip. So blue drip with like sprinkles and make it look really cute, and then outline it with a tan to make it look like it's the donut. I think that's gonna be really cute. For the blue drip, it's kind of hard to decide what blue I want. These are all the choices, right? And I'm kind of leaning towards this one because it's just really pretty. Ooh, that's pretty. I like that color. So we're just gonna start off with the top. Okay. So we're gonna let it dry for 5 minutes because this paint dries really fast, and then we'll come back and then do the drip. Alright, so it's done now, dry, shaboom. So now we just gotta do the drips. Are painted and it looks pretty messy, but it's gonna get better once we add the outline and the sprinkles, blah blah blah. So I'm gonna let it dry and then come back. I'm just filling in the back now. Ooh, got a little paint on my finger. Done with the back. Now we just gotta wait for this to dry. Then we can do the outline, and then we can do the fun part, the sprinkles. So I'm trying to make kind of a tan color, and I used bright yellow and a drop of brown, but it came out a little like mustard color. That's nasty. So maybe if we could just do like regular yellow, because that one was bright, and a drop of brown, maybe it won't be like so yellow be so powerful. Change of plans, we're just gonna do white and brown and see if that makes a good tannish color. I started to do the outline and it was way too pale, if you can see, so we're going to try one more drop of brown. Okay. I think we should add another drop of brown because this is like a pastel brown. So I think one more drop. Very tiny though, don't want to overboard it. Okay. I like that. That's perfect. Yellow, blue, orange, green. So here are the colors we are going to be using for the sprinkles. I've been waiting for this part. I've been waiting for this part. Oh, he want a belly rub. Not right now. Okay, that's it. Look at that crested on pink. That looks cool. My best sprinkles. There. Our sprinkles are all done and colorful and super cute. So we're just gonna let them dry and then we're all done. So here it is, a little drippy donut frosting ting. It's okay, I kind of like it, but it's not my favorite I've done, like my favorite AirPod case or my favorite thing I painted, but I think it's pretty cute. Still kind of cute. Really just think I chose a dark blue and then the kind of the frosting, or not the frosting, the sprinkles with the dark blue make it look neon. So it looks kind of weird looking, doesn't really look that good in color choice wise, but let's get our model and try it. Bloop. Yeah. So here is how it looks on my AirPod case. So open and close, I really like it. Here's the back. This is kind of peeling because it moves a lot, and it's acrylic paint, so I get why it's peeling. But yeah, ooh, satisfied. So now the thing you've all been waiting for. I'm giving a pair of AirPods away to one of my subscribers. Woohoo! Yay, yay. I just wanted to say thank you for 100K. So what you guys need to do to enter is, of course, be subscribed because this gift is for my subscribers. Give this video a big thumbs up and comment under my community tab under this video because comments are turned off. But comment under my community tab and just say something. The winner will be picked randomly. I will put all of the rules in the description, so make sure you read them before you enter. Good luck and thank you so much for 100K. So that's it. That's the DIY AirPod case. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe to all that fun stuff. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Love you.